Hello students, today we will discuss chapter 5 in geography, agriculture. As you know that food is one of the most important needs of human beings and it is obtained from agriculture. Students, agriculture is one of the most important economic activities in the world. Economic activity means any activity that generates income or money for us. ऐसी कोई भी एक्टिविटी जिससे हमें इनकम या मनी मिलती है उसे इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी कहते हैं. ह्यूमन बीइंग्स परफॉर्म्ड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज. जनरली देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज: प्राइमरी एक्टिविटी, सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटी एंड टर्शियरी एक्टिविटी. Primary activities include the extraction of raw materials from the surface of the earth. For example, hunting, food gathering, forestry, fishing, mining, agriculture, etc. Secondary activities include the processing of raw materials and converting them into finished goods of higher value. Students, the main secondary activities are industries such as making of steel from iron ore, making of aluminium from bauxite ore, cloth weaving, etc. Next, tertiary activity. Students, tertiary activities include all types of services which support the primary and the secondary activities. For example, trade, transport, insurance, banking, education, advertising, etc. We take an example of biscuit. Students, you know that wheat is obtained from agriculture. So, the production of wheat is called primary activity. And when wheat is converted into biscuits, then it is called secondary activity. And when biscuits are transported from industries to market, then it is called tertiary activity. Students, agriculture is a main primary activity and it is closely related to the natural environment. The term agriculture comes out from the Latin words ager and culture. Ager means soil and culture means cultivation. So students, the art and science of cultivating the soil and raising crops and livestock is called agriculture. You know that primitive men were food gatherers and the invention of agriculture helped them to lead a settled life. At present, we are living in the industrial age, but more than half of the world's total population is directly or indirectly engaged in agriculture. Students, about 61.5% of India's total population is still dependent on agriculture. Agriculture and industries are interdependent. You know that agriculture provides food for human beings and animals. It also provides source of raw material for industries such as textile, oil, sugar, etc. It also acts as consumer of industrial products. For example, farm machinery, pesticides, fertilizers, etc. Students, the prosperity of industrial sector depends upon the agricultural prosperity. It's all for today. Thank you.